All right, so we're answering a Math Studies vector question here, actually Math SL. And in this question, it's simply asking you, a line L passes through the following location. It is parallel, key to know, to this particular line, and these are the values given to you. So basically, you're going to substitute in these values in here for what we would consider the intercept equivalent. So we would have then 1, -1, and 2, and then this will be plus S 1, 3, -2. Because in this case they're using a T, we're going to substitute in the S, or the T in for the S, and that answers our part A question. For part B, notice in this case we're actually substituting in 2 for this. So when we rewrite this, it's simply going to be the same equation. So we still have 1, -1, 2, plus, now we're substituting in the 2 for T, and we're going to leave 1, 3, -2 as normal because it is parallel, so we don't have to swap that out. When we do that, understand that we're simply multiplying this way. We're multiplying this over here, so this will end up giving us 1, -1, 2, and then this will give us 2, 6, -4, and you want to have this obviously in parentheses. And in this case, when we end up doing the math here, again, to find this actual direction for this particular vector, if you look across, we're simply taking the values and adding them together. So for example, our new vector will have an x value of 3, -1 and 6, that's going to give us a +5, and 2 and -4, that's going to give us a -2. And so this particular value for this vector will be 3, 5, -2, and we are done. Correct substitution into the formula. In this case, we're going to find the absolute value of this. So to do this, we are going to take the square root, and we're going to take 3 squared plus 5 squared plus the -2 squared, and this is going to yield us a value of square root of 38, and that is our absolute value for vector OP, square root 38. Okay, so good luck.